Yes, we don't come back here and I still talk with you for Zuba Television and we get one ogbonge guest for studio. I know some of the way they say never no start with us, but you never too miss too much. If I miss plenty, but at least today, today and then our vocal slender Eric Obu. Eric Obu. Now, Eric, get one question I want to ask you. You know today difficult, but the question is this: when you you say that 10 years you spent for Dump, right?
Yes.
Before that 10 years, waiting you been do? Waiting be that obviously you go get drive.
Okay.
Waiting be that thing we been there. Waiting be the inspire to be.
Okay. Na music carry me go Dump. The reason why I go that Dump, say make I work for Dump now because we dey at Jigulo, everybody dey sing. Nobody, no free lunch now. So you go book studio session. So make I hustle, make I go do my music. I meet Nelson Brand. He tell me that time 10,000 naira. So okay, if I save 200 naira every day, every month now 6,000. But you know say you know if you plus say you go fit get 6,000 every month. I say okay, if na 3,000 I save, I fit gather the money for 3 months. So now music now carry me go that Dump.
So you believe you be your dream, believe exactly.
I go school now.
No, so the reality I ask now, before you go Dump, you say you go Dump for 10 years.
Yes.
Before that Dump.
Before I go that Dump,
Yes.
Okay, you know, those times for Jigulo, what they do? That time they do music, but my life, I tell you, I say, my parents them poor away. Poverty, you know, is small. So from small, I don't sell. We get for our backyard swamp day. Then during the dry season, place go dry. So I plant vegetable. I sell the vegetable. Me and my elder brother, we buy one bed chicken. We nurse them till it grow. From that one, we get over 100 and something beds. So they sell them. Apart from that one, so my dad no fit pay the rent again for the where they stay. And that time, we no say we go fit rent house because too small. I did just one then when they send us more for the house. So we can't stay for church. So from church now, I dey sell chain. We come with motor buy chain. If I no sell chain, they go street. They go do scavenging for streets. They pick metals. So I do that one too. So when I come dey a little bit older, I can't stop. Say I don't want to do scavenging for street. So I can't do music. So to record music, now my friend can't show me say I get one Dump for Jota. I can't say what we don't do for street. Mo could go there. Mo go show them ski.
But you finished the school, the secondary school?
No, I stopped secondary school at JSS3.
What would be the reason why you stopped?
And they come back from school, motor can't hit me on my leg. I just see myself hospital. They come say I don't dey coma for 2 days. Yeah. So the church will they stay because I dey skinny. They say they no feel let us stay again. So I just wear small. They come send us out. So me and my elder brother when stay for Weimar bus stop. It's painful with clutches now. So I dey sleep for Weimar bus stop. No house. You get to a stage where some people they say, you know, have you born through if we kill you, nothing will happen. Understand? So life.
So where would our mom dey as at this time?
My mom, I don't get to know my mom till 2005 before I go bury my dad.
Oh, okay.
So my mom and my dad separate all day young.
Okay.
Yeah. So life do me something.
It writes your story.
But the good thing, God sees my mind. God can use a bigger brand like BBC to tell the world my story. No, we say now only me get the people they suffer now. You understand? BBC do a story on me. Google do a story on me. So means that God have a purpose for me.
You know, what I like about you be say you been get that dream. You no give up on your dream. I believe say you don't start them from small, say you won't be a musician, right?
Yes.
You don't they move up, say no, nothing go step it down. Obviously, they don't meet 1,000,001 challenges.
They can't people don't tell you. That's why when they talk about that boy, they all look say, well, now you decide to go. Because what you want face for life, where you go decide to go.
So yeah, keep
the question you? I want to ask you.
The thing will keep me going. Myself, I no fit tell. But I know one thing, say, to kill yourself, no good. So, and if I say, make her lose hope for life, I know make her. So, I believe there is dignity in labor. And I believe there is hard work pay. So, when I come to read books, I come to say, imagination, how they use them where. I come to say, okay, if these great men feel use imagination, achieve them, then elaborate and where say, you must first get a dream. First, they make plane, globe, all the scientists. They first imagine what they want. So the white brothers, I've read one book about them. Say, They just look bad. Say, human being can fly on the sky. And so me, I can say, my own no hard now. Now just to get success.
Your own problem, no many reach
no
down.
many now. And God can't do it.
You know, waiting, at that point when you be dey sleep for Wima bus stop, even with your brother, people, they come meet you, they tell you, say, una don't be dead people already now, so there's no need. All those suffer where you don't suffer from when you get the accident, you dey work out with God. You don't ever get a time where you give hope.
What? No.
Give up. Give up. Yes,
no,
you just give up.
No. But only there is sometimes I dey question God.
Okay.
Say, now wow, God, wetin happen?
Why
I dey suffer
bad
like this? Wetin life do me? So, but the answers can't come only me from within. Because Jesus Christ say, the kingdom of God is within you. The answers come, say, from within, say, now only love, if he show, if he help you. Just live good, and God will do the rest. Then, it's a portion in the Bible I read, Matthew 10:13, something like that. Jesus' disciples say, Master, why do you like to talk in parable? Jesus Christ say, to the multitude you speak in parable, but to you we reveal the secret of the kingdom. And the secret is, to those who get, more will be given. And to those who no get, make I finish this one, make people think. And those who no get, the one you didn't get, God will take them from them.
Exactly.
Give to people who get. So that thing where those people get is gratitude, vision. Gratitude means thanking God for everything first. The more you thank God, the more you get more.
So tell us where you there now.
Now, where are they now? Are they a papa? Now
No, as in your level. Your level.
Ah, my level, I thank God. Now I'm a millionaire.
Don't drop any album.
No, I ever drop. Now my music just is sad.
So what you actually do now to get the millions where you say you get?
Okay, Google now first pay me some million. I invest in car business. I sell car. I they go event, they go speak. They pay me event to speak. I've traveled.
Okay, like you don't need
motivational speaker.
Okay.
And then they call me for shows. And now recently I just want to sign with a company called Orange Jams.
A new company.
A new company where you want to take over my managing my music, my speaking, and follow up. And again, I want an NGO called Ghetto Love Foundation where they give back. Some of my friends who they London, America, say they would like to reach out to help people for Ajegule. So they pass through me, they reach out to people.
Nice.
Wow. Now, in which you talk, we just our motivational video because we quotes because we need to actually wrap up today's show.
All right, the motivational quotes for today. Actually, I don't know, but the motivational quote says the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their own dreams.
Yeah, Reserve
from Tina Turner.
From his Tina Turner.
Yeah, because he actually believes in your dream. Thank you so much, Eric. So you enter our studio, and we hope to hear better things from you. And when your album drop, let us know.
I'll tell you now. No
yes,
worry.
let us know. All right, now so you be on top today's show, Motivational Monday. Join us tomorrow for Real Life Issues Day, where we still go talk about some things where they affect people as we they live. From all of us, get better day. But as they always they talk.
To talk no be bad thing, but make you know what they talk about.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.